The devil. Oof. Oh yeah. Okay, so I got a good one today. I've been excited for this one. Now, I've been wanting a new portable Bluetooth speaker. Excuse me. And I wanted a good one. I wanted someone that's going to give some oof. You know what I'm talking about? You know. Okay. So what I've got is the Motion Boom Plus by Anker. So let's get into the box, open it up and see what's inside. And if you're wondering what that is over there, it's a freaky baby of my daughter's. Have a look at this. What is all that about? Okay, so what have we got? Here, we've got bass boost, ooms, ooms, ooms. You got your Bluetooth, your volume up and down, power on and off. Then you've got this TWS switch. Now it's Partycast 2 and TWS. TWS is True Wireless Sound. Okay, and then on the back then, we've got, if we get this open here, yeah. I got no nails, man. Now it has to be tight to keep it waterproof. Damn, yeah. This didn't happen when I was practicing. Come on, man. Son of a... Boy, I oughta. What the... Yes! Jesus! What the flipping heck was that about? So you got your 3.5 auxiliary in, then you got the USB charging out, and that's a USB-A port, and then you got USB-C port then for charging it in, out, shake it all about. So if you want to charge your phone when you're out and about, you can with the battery in this. So it's 80 watts in total. You got your two 30-watt drivers here. You got your tweeters on the side, which are 10 watts each. And on the sides then, you got your passive radiators. Ooms, ooms, ooms. Okay. Now, how does this compare to the old Motion Boom? Well, so total output on the Plus is 80 watts compared to 30 watts with the Motion Boom. With the Plus, you've got the strap and the handle as well, where the Motion Boom only had the built-in handle. Now this has an IP67 resistance rating compared to IPX7 with a Motion Boom, so it's far better, more waterproof. And Paul Hibbard did chuck his one in the bath just to prove it. And it still worked afterwards, so that's good. Obviously, because you're getting more watts, a bigger system, more speakers, the battery life isn't going to last as long, but it's still 20 hours compared to 24 hours. Then you've got the Partycast 2.0 and TWS, and the Motion Boom has only TWS. Now, you can't pair the Plus with 200 of the same speaker. That is mental. Okay, I don't know who would want to pair it with 100 speakers. Did I say 200? I mean 100. If I said 200, I'm wrong. It's 100. I don't know who want to pair it with another 99 speakers. You probably blow the house down and really cheese off the neighbours. It's got the latest Bluetooth 5.3 compared to 5.0, and obviously the dimensions are going to be bigger, with the Plus being quite a bit bigger than the Motion Boom. So the app is pretty good. You've got your volume up and down, and if you want to, you can just use your phone volume, so that'll work just as well. And then you've got the graphic equalizer, and this is pretty good. There's the custom there, and then you also got your presets then, Soundcore signature, a voice, treble boost, and balanced. But I did prefer the custom. You can make it sound a lot better with that. just adjusting to how you want it. I think the custom is far better than the presets. So the most important thing is, how does it sound? Well, it sounds very good. For what it is, it sounds very good. I mean, if you take this out and you know, with your friends at the beach, it's going to be blasting. It is going to cheese off a few people who are around you. You know, those annoying people who play the loud music. It's not the music you like. You're like, oh my God, I'm trying to relax at the beach and these are playing. Ah, bugger them. But it is very, very good. If I had any criticisms, it can get a little bit, trilly at the top end. But again, you've got the app to be able to tone down the treble a little bit. If it does get a little bit trilly or a little bit too, you know, with the cymbals and the hi-hats. Bass is very good. The mids are not the best, but still very passable. It's a very, very good speaker. Now, the only problem is I've got nothing to compare it to, like for like. A lot of people have been comparing it to the JBLs and things, but I've got nothing. I've got all I've had before is the small little Anker speakers, which is, this will knock the socks off them. But I have got in the house an Echo 4th Gen. Now, this is not the Echo Dot, this is the Echo 4th Gen. And when this came out, you know, everybody's saying how good it sounds. Sounds really, really good. Well, just to give you the gist of how good this sounds, I'll do a comparison between the two. And again, remember, people said, ooh, this is very good sound. So I'll do a little sound comparison between the two and let me know what you think after. Well, it made it sound like trash, didn't it? What the? It blew it out of the water. I know, look, there's a massive difference in size and things, and price, and obviously that's a smart speaker, I know, but that's the only thing I got to compare it of. But people did say that this sounded very good, you know, when it came out. People still do. But this was like phenomenal. I would go as far to say that this sounds as good as an Echo Studio, if not a little bit better. Controversial, and I know all you Echo Studio owners out there going, how dare you take that back, sir? Dual at dawn. Okay, but I mean, I don't own an Echo Studio anymore. I used to own 2 of them, so I'm only doing it from memory, and they were good sounding, you know, for what they were, good sounding smart speakers. But I think this is better, okay? And it's portable, but it's not smart. I know it hasn't got the Atmos, okay? So yeah, I think it's a very good speaker, and I know it's around about 180 quid, it might be pricey, but compared to its like-for-like competitors, which are probably more than double the price, I think 180 quid is a very good price for this. Now I've got it in sale in the UK for 140 quid on Amazon. That's why I got a little bit cheaper. So even though it seems expensive-ish, for what you get, it's not. I think it's a fantastic speaker. Not many flaws with it. I couldn't really find many faults. Very happy with it. Anyway, if you liked the video, come on, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Look, you don't have to subscribe. I'm not forcing you, but if you don't, Ooh. Anyway, no, it's fine. Sorry. You better subscribe though. And that's the end of the video. So I'll catch you in the next one.